Hey, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here with an Isomac Milano. This machine was not heating or pressurizing. Turns out the pressure stat had gone bad and it was stuck in the open position, allowing the machine to overheat. And that blew the temp fuse. And so we replaced both of those things, and also upon request of the customer, replaced some electrical connections that had become burned up as a result of the overheating. Now everything's working, and we're gonna pull a shot real quick. Looking good, a little fast. The grind is perhaps a little too coarse. Alright, we'll stop there. And you can see we're holding pressure quite well. Green is good. Pressure holds. Oh, and we also replaced these two lights. You can see they're a little bit newer looking than that one. Oop, switch to green. We're ready to roll. Alright, there you have it. Isomac working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Boom.